Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see by the title, today we're installing another wig, and I'm doing another wig from True Glory. They sent me another wig, and this one is from a company under them, I believe. Well, it's a part of their company, but it's called Kinkycurlyyaki, and they sent me this beautiful wig. I forget what her name is, but I will put it in the bio. And I'm just showing you guys what all they sent me. They sent me the wig, of course, some lashes, which I'm wearing in the video, a wig cap, a cute little edge brush, and then of course a wig band. I always get excited about those. And yeah, I'm just gonna get into it. I'm gonna let y'all watch me install this wig. I haven't done a voiceover in so long, but I just didn't feel like talking in this one, so y'all can just watch me. Basically the same thing I do for every wig, except this wig has bangs. So just watch me install this wig, and I will catch back up with y'all at the end.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. You got it bad for me, babe. I don't feel glad that I can have this, babe. Nobody else true. Nobody else makes me. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. We're right around the love, right around the trip, right around the dick. Right around the slap me up the dick. Don't wanna fit. Right around the world. Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. You got it bad for me, babe. mind, fighting on my life for you. I'm trusting you, babe. I want this to work out so bad that I feel it in my chest and I want it. I want that, yeah. But never fall out of love with you. Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. You got it bad for me, babe. I don't feel glad that I can have this, babe. Nobody else true. Nobody else makes you. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. We're right around the love, right around the trust, right around the dick. Right around the slap me up, the dick. Don't wanna fit. Right around the world.
Alright, you guys, so this is how the wig turned out once everything was all finished. As you can see, I'm playing in it a lot, touching it a lot, because I'm trying to see how I feel about it. But I think it's cute. It's not an everyday look for me, but it's definitely like a one-time little weekend cute little something to throw on. So yeah, I love this wig. All the details will be in the description box, of course. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure you like this video, share it, all of that. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see y'all in the next one.
Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. We're right around the love, right around the trust.